I was playing the long game. And that game was just getting started. I'm in.
That was fast. Grab some of
Can
those.
you hold on a second? I gotta take this call.
Who the hell takes a call in the middle of a robbery?
Life was complicated. But in spite of everything, I was making it work. And for the first time in a while, the future seemed promising.
Who is this guy? He's throwing himself a welcome to town party. It's like the Great Gatsby.
Oh, and Ash. My friends just call me Ash.
Andrew Cooper.
Coop, your reputation precedes you.
I'm a simple man.
I think both of us know that's not true. You, my friend, have complicated written all over you. Turns out I had no idea how complicated.
I can't explain.
Can you really?
You're not gonna turn me in?
I like a guy who colors outside the lines. I deal with a lot of dangerous people. You can help me out, or you can get arrested. You want to split a chocolate cake? How are you with gluten? Can we get 2 forks, please?
These people hate me. You were gonna destroy my family. I panicked.
Do I need to worry about you?
Her being around, how does it not bother you?
Maybe I have bigger problems.
Keeping a foot in each boat, that is how a fool drowns.
Are you worried?
I'm worried I might get worried.
We're all friends here.
Are we terrible people?
I was playing the long game. And that game was just getting started.